Take a moment to find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle and your breath to slow. Gently close your eyes and turn your awareness inward. This meditation will guide you through the power of visualization, aligning your body, mind, and spirit to create positive transformation. Through the connection between imagination and reality, you will empower yourself to manifest change with clarity, focus, and intention. Let us begin by taking a deep breath in and filling your lungs, expanding your heart space. Exhale gently, releasing any tension or resistance. With each inhale, imagine drawing in light, energy, and possibilities. With each exhale, letting go of doubt, stress, and anything blocking your path. Feel your breath as a bridge between where you are and where you are going. Inhale, drawing in, and exhale, releasing. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels. Where there is ease, where there is tension. Visualize a warm golden light flowing through you, from the top of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. This wonderful light represents energy, vitality, and readiness. As this light flows through your body, you begin to feel a sense of awakening and aligning with the changes you are calling in at this time. Every cell is listening and preparing to support your vision. Silently affirm, my body is strong, capable, and aligned with my goals. And bringing your awareness to your mind now. What is it that you wish to create, change, or manifest? Picture it clearly. See it as if it is already real. What does it look like? What colors, shapes, or details stand out the most? Now imagine yourself stepping into the version of yourself, inside the reality that you have created. Feel it in your body. How does it feel? Allow the wonderful emotions to arise. Breathe into that feeling and let it expand within you. As you silently affirm, my mind is focused, motivated, and open to possibilities. And now bringing that awareness to your deeper self, your spirit, your essence. Imagine a soft, radiant light surrounding you, representing the energy of creation and infinite possibility. Feel yourself connected to something greater, the universal flow of life. Trust that what you envision is already aligning for you. You are not separate from it. You are one with it. Silently affirm, I trust in the process of creation. I am already becoming what I seek. I align with my highest potential. Now, I invite you to take another deep breath, feeling your body, mind, and spirit fully connected, fully aligned. As you exhale, bring this clarity and confidence back with you. Slowly, when you are ready now, coming back into full awareness of your body, gently open your eyes, carrying this vision and the energy of this vision with you as you move through the rest of your day.